Most bread you find in supermarket today isn't really good, healthy food. It's engineered for softness, long shelf life, and good looks. To achieve that, those companies often use refined flour, emulsifier, and add in extra sugar. Eating this kind of the bread regularly can spike your blood glucose, and over time it contributes to your insulin resistance, inflammation, and your hormone imbalance. And that's the reason today I want to show you how you can make another version of a flourless seed bread. This bread designed to help you to reduce your blood glucose spike, support your heart health and your bone and your joint by adding sesame seed to its mix. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Reza and I have over 26 years experience in research and also work in pharmaceutical industry. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can prepare a bread which is flourless, is full of the seeds which they have a lot of good nutrients which support your health and well-being and your longevity, but at the same time is easy to make, it tastes great and doesn't take a lot of time and effort to prepare it. Without any further delay, let's see how you can prepare that bread together. Weigh 300 grams of the flaxseed. Then we're going to grind those flaxseed first. Then we're going to add 100 grams of pepita seed or pumpkin seed. 100. And sunflower, 100. Perfect. And this time 75 grams of sesame seed. $75 in here. Chia seed, which is 50 grams. It's 50 to mix. 35 grams of the cinnamon husk. Perfect. I'm gonna add 10 grams of salt. And I'll mix all of those ingredients. $450 of water. And I add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil here. Just 1 and 2. So mixing those ingredients. Then we transfer all of the mix into a tray for bread. And as you can see, as I add in the mix, I compact the mix because it's important to is well compacted to have nice kind of dense spread. And you have to just force all of the corners and middle as much as you can, as you can see here. Also, I use that spatula to make the top of the loaf smooth and even, and obviously that bread is covered by baking paper, put in plastic bag, and at least I put it for over 1 hour or even longer in fridge to water interact with all of those grain and ingredient. After 1 hour, I take the loaf out and cover it with aluminum foil because I don't want the top of it be toasted too much. After covering the bread, I put it in the air fryer at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. When time's up, I take the bread out, get rid of the aluminum foil, baking paper and tray, and put back the bread for another 15 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade to make outside of the very nice and crusty. As you can see here. Then we leave the loaf to well cool down in a cooling rack before slicing the bread and storing it. I'll put those slices in a bag and freeze it, and just before consumption I toast them. One of my favorite, peanut butter and banana, which tastes great, or sometimes I have it as a breakfast with scrambled egg or ricotta cheese and a bit of tomato. It's a great way to eat healthy. Let's summarize the health benefit of this bread. This bread, as you saw, is full of the seeds, which they contain a lot of healthy fat and fatty acid, which support your heart and cardiovascular system. Also, this bread is full of the fiber, soluble and non-soluble, which helps your overall gut health, and consequently it helps your immune system, and also brought your cholesterol in your blood lower, which helps your, again, health of the cardiovascular systems and your heart. Also, this bread is full of a lot of mineral, specifically by adding sesame seed. It supports your, especially your bone and joint, which is very critical, especially for female, which have higher risk of the osteoporosis as they get older. Hopefully you make this bread and you find the benefit of this bread and enjoy the taste as well. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumb up and share it with your family and friend. And if you're interested to see that kind of the material, you may want to also subscribe to my channel. In the end, I want to thank you all for giving your time to me, and until next video, please eat healthy, be active and be curious. Bye for now.